Can you connect PayPal to ClickBank? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having a splendid day. In this video, I'm going to be telling you and talking to you about if you can connect your PayPal to your ClickBank. Now, in short, the answer is no. There is no proper way that ClickBank have generated through which we can actually connect to our PayPal. And to get in more depth with this, you can even check ClickBank's very own support page. Like, there is no proper way. ClickBank will give you a withdrawal section where you can go ahead and, as you can see over here, you can edit the payment methods. Like, you can go from check to direct deposit, and in direct deposit, you can choose bank country, bank city, bank name, and transact it to your bank. And from your bank, you can send it to your PayPal, but you can't directly transfer it to your PayPal. So obviously there's no direct link, but if you want to follow the pipeline where you're simply going to directly depositing it to your bank, you can do that. So just deposit it to your bank through the My Account section, edit the payment information, go to payment method, go to direct deposit, and directly deposit it into your bank account. And from there, you can simply switch it over to your PayPal. And that should pretty much do the trick for you. But yeah, that's the basic idea about ClickBank and PayPal. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.